Delicious aroma. May bago ng look. Sarap with more delicious aroma. Hansel Sandwiches. Apat na. Sarap talaga.
Maybe I need some rehab, or maybe just need some sleep. I got a sick obsession, I'm seeing it in my dreams. I'm looking down every alley, I'm making those desperate calls. I'm staying up all night hoping, hitting my head against the wall. What you got, boy, is hard to find. I think about it all the time. I'm all strung out, my heart is right. I just can't get you off my mind.
Naalala niyo ba yung first day ng school na dumating si Sir Meduata? Ano yung pinagawa niya nung?
First time na nagkaroon tayo.
Yun yung kumanta si Slay, kaya nag-99 sila. Tapos si Sir Meduana yung teacher na groupings, tapos presentation, tapos lesson, tapos groupings ulit.
Pero yung pinaka-best part yung
Oo, lalo na yung may article na pinabasa, hindi naman natin ang may trainer, may sa inyo. Ayun! Yung sabi mo kayo. Galing talaga rin sa mag-isip ng activity.
Tsaka yung trailer. Tsaka yung trailer. Ano yung poster namin?
Pati yung mga lahat na. In behalf of our group, sir, we would like to thank you sa lahat ng lessons, sa patience, sa knowledge na binigay niyo sa amin. Rest assured na inyong semester na natuto kami sa inyo 100% na sana, pag nakita namin yung grade namin sa portal, walang group. Lahat 1.75 pataas.